Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use iodine on a wound. First, ensure you have all your supplies ready, including iodine solution, sterile gauze, and clean gloves. Begin by washing your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to prevent contamination. Next, gently clean the wound itself using mild soap and water, carefully removing any visible dirt or debris. Finally, pat the area completely dry with a clean cloth or sterile gauze before proceeding. Now, let's apply the iodine. Always wear clean, disposable gloves to protect both yourself and the wound from further contamination. Take a sterile cotton swab or a small piece of sterile gauze and apply a small amount of iodine solution to it. Gently dab the iodine directly onto the wound surface, ensuring you create a thin, even layer. Make sure the entire wound area is lightly covered with the solution. After applying the iodine, it's important to let it air dry completely on the wound surface. This ensures proper action and prevents dilution. Once dry, cover the treated wound with a sterile, non-stick dressing to protect it from external elements and further contamination. Secure the dressing firmly in place using medical tape or a suitable bandage. Remember to avoid touching the treated wound directly with your bare hands. For ongoing care, change the dressing daily or immediately if it becomes wet or dirty. Continuously monitor the wound for any signs of infection, such as increasing redness, warmth, swelling, or the presence of pus. If you have a deep wound, experience persistent pain, or notice excessive bleeding, please seek medical attention promptly. Also, consult a doctor if you develop a fever or the wound shows no signs of healing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.